Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today I'm going to be working on adding a dandelion to resin in this little paperweight. Had a lot of fun with this one. This was my first attempt at putting a dandelion in resin, so I was really excited to try this technique. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll get into this project in just a moment. Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today's video I'm going to be working with some dandelions that have already gone to seed and this little trinket box mold. This is part of a 3-pack. You get a square, a heart, which I used in my last video to create a ring box, and then this hexagon shaped box here. So the fun thing about these is they're not only good for making your trinkets, but they also have this great area in the bottoms that you can use to pour things like paperweights and such. So I'm going to be using the back side of this. This is where you would pour in for your trinkets, trinket tray, and then this is the back side. It has this really nice octagon shaped area there, so I'm going to be using that. And yeah, I'm going to mix up some resin and I'm going to try putting some dandelions inside of a resin box. Okay, so this has been setting for a few hours, and I am going to pull this up, clip that right there. And then this is still a little bit tacky, not enough to stick to you, but like if you pressed on it, you could probably leave a fingerprint. So this is some color shift powder glitter that I got off AliExpress, and I'm just going to kind of rub it over the back of that. And this is a blue-green shift. I think this was like, I don't know, $2 or something, free shipping. so it's the next day, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it when I was working, but this resin was from Total Boat. It's the Maker Epoxy. So I think this is going to be kind of cool. You can see the dandelion in there. It's kind of awesome. So let's see how that looks. Okay. Oh, dun, dun. It just keeps on. You see that shift? That looks awesome. I love how it just kind of reflects on the sides, even though the sides are clear. When you turn it like this, it's very sparkly and illusion-y. Cool looking. How neat. Got a few bubbles, but I actually don't mind the bubbles. They kind of look cool. Cool. Let's take this out. I went ahead and poured some clear into this lid, trinket box lid. I was thinking about maybe making some kind of a base for it, but we'll see what it looks like. I was thinking something like that, maybe. Okay, I'll throw a little bit of this on there. Okay. Well, that was kind of fun for my first attempt at putting this in there. Now, I didn't spray my mold with alcohol, and that probably would have prevented some of these teeny tiny surface bubbles, but like I said, I don't mind it actually. I kind of think it gives it kind of a neat effect, like a poured glass, like a blown glass effect kind of, which is kind of neat to me. But yeah, I think that's kind of a cool little piece. I do love the way that dandelion looks in there. It's pretty cool. So awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.